I'm gonna do a quick video on this BMW. It's a 530i. Just say for instance, your battery ever go dead or you need to get this thing moved and you don't know how to get it into neutral. Maybe it's stuck in park. I'm gonna show you what you need to do. To get it out of park, what you can do is just take a screwdriver, whatever you got, and come to this corner and pop this up. Once you pop it up, you raise it up right here, and you look in here. Maybe we can get a good view of this, but let me raise it up a little further. Over here is a red button. And what you want to do is reach your hand in there and push that red button forward. Once you push it forward, you see how it releases that right there? It releases that. And what happened, you could go ahead and put it in gear now. So once you push that forward, you can reach up and grab your gear, press it in right here, and it'll move. Okay, so again, that button is right here. Just push it forward. So I'm gonna start this vehicle up and show you what happens. If I start my vehicle up and I'm gonna go down here, watch what happened to that spring. You see that? See how it opens up? Maybe if that battery, if it don't have the power, it won't do that. Okay. So I'm gonna turn it off. See how it go down? I'm gonna start it back up. You see it? It pops up. And I'm gonna turn it off again. So if that's the case, you don't have no power, just reach in here and push this button forward to release that. And then put it into neutral, drive, whatever you need to get you out of a bad situation. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.